Hello friends, welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 15 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Please, don't be angry with me. I did it accidentally. There's hardly anybody here. I don't like to wake up early in the morning. Mary is more intelligent than Tom. Tom spoke quietly because the baby slept. How old are you? When he was a pupil, he was the best in his class. Now he's 30. He studies history at the university. The bell rang suddenly. This time last week I was traveling across USA.